Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here once again. Today, we're diving into a topic that ignites everyone's curiosity and aspirations, the path to achieving financial success and perhaps even wealth by the year 2025. In this video presentation, I'll be delving into 7 indispensable rules that have the potential to pave a clear and prosperous route toward your financial objectives. So, without further ado, let's embark on this journey of financial enlightenment together. Let's kick things off with Rule 1, setting clear and achievable goals. As we navigate the intricate landscape of financial success, it's imperative to establish crystal clear and realistic financial aspirations. Without a well-defined roadmap, the risk of losing sight of our destination becomes all too real. By meticulously outlining precise targets, be it acquiring a home, initiating a thriving business venture, or diligently saving for retirement, you lay down the foundation for a purposeful direction to channel your efforts. Transitioning to Rule 2, the art of wise investment. Instead of allowing your hard-earned funds to stagnate, let's explore the realm of prudent investments. Consider an array of options such as stocks, real estate ventures, or even nurturing your own entrepreneurial vision. The wisdom in diversifying your investments lies in the potential to optimize returns while concurrently mitigating inherent risks. Now, on to Rule 3, embracing a culture of lifelong learning. In this ever-evolving world, where the domains of technology and finance experience continuous transformation, the importance of perpetual education cannot be overstated. Rule 3 champions the notion of expanding your knowledge horizons. It beckons you to remain attuned to prevailing industry trends, participate in enriching workshops, and devour literature that empowers you to make calculated and informed financial decisions. As we embrace Rule 4, we are confronted with the philosophy of living below your means. In this bustling age of consumerism, the significance lies not merely in your earnings, but in your capacity to save and invest. Meticulously craft a financial blueprint by itemizing your expenditures, then prioritize saving and strategic investing over impulsive splurges. Cultivating this discipline wields the potential to metamorphose your financial trajectory in profound ways. Venturing into Rule 5, we uncover the essence of embracing calculated risks. Growth seldom transpires within the confines of comfort. The corridors of opportunity, oftentimes illuminated by the prospect of transformational progress, are frequently adorned with the garb of risk. As we journey through this rule, I implore you not to shy away from meticulously calculated leaps. Whether it entails birthing a new enterprise or investing in a novel and innovative concept, remember that calculated risks can yield monumental rewards. Moving ahead to Rule 6, we illuminate the power of networking and collaborative synergy. In our interconnected world, forging relationships within your industry can unlock gates to uncharted opportunities, synergistic collaborations, and even the mentorship that fuels exponential growth. Beyond the confines of physical conferences, the digital realm offers vibrant communities that foster the exchange of knowledge and experiences, accelerating our collective ascent. Lastly, let us delve into the heart of Rule 7, the pillars of persistence and resilience. The pursuit of financial prosperity, akin to any grand endeavor, demands unwavering perseverance. This rule advocates that while setbacks and adversities may be encountered along the way, it is our response to these trials that truly defines our trajectory. Embrace the mantle of persistence, adapt to the dynamic currents of change, and steadfastly keep your gaze affixed to the lighthouse of your long-term aspirations. In conclusion, embarking on the journey to financial success is not a sprint, but a marathon. It necessitates unwavering dedication, disciplined strategies, and a reservoir of patience. By ardently adhering to these 7 pivotal rules, setting audacious yet pragmatic goals, tactfully diversifying your investments, nurturing a voracious appetite for learning, living within prudent means, courageously embracing calculated risks, nurturing an expansive network, and exemplifying persistence and resilience, you are sculpting the ideal conditions for potentially attaining financial triumph by the year 2025. As we wrap up this insightful discourse, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for accompanying me on this voyage. Remember, in the labyrinth of financial success, the journey itself is as enriching as the destination. If you found this video to be of value, I kindly encourage you to engage by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Until we meet again, stay unwaveringly focused and resolutely driven. Farewell for now.